Alrighty then, here we have the review again of the Drift 4K camera, the new one, and the Ghost S, which is the older version. Let me show you the sizes first of all. This side, that is the Ghost 4K, and this one is the Ghost S. So you can see there is a significant change to the size of them. Now, allow me to explain a bit more. With the Drift, on here, you've got a screen. On here, you don't. You have to buy a module, which is another 50 quid, to put it onto here. However, there is an app that you can use and connect by Bluetooth, and actually I think that's better than the screen, but you can do that on both, so it isn't a big shake. On the Ghost 4K, that is your connectors there. That's where you put your SD card, and that's where you put your microphone or your charger lead. But you've got these fiddly bleeding things. The other aspect is you have to change the battery by putting your thumb in that little gap there. It even says in the manual you may have to use a tool. And personally, Drift, I think you're a tool for doing this, because I've nearly bust a thumbnail. You have to go in with your thumbnail, and after a while it does become looser, but at the beginning, yeah, interesting to say the least. On the Ghost S, you have a little cap on here. You unscrew it, and access to the battery is a little clip that flips open. Your battery falls out. Plus, you've got your USB, but you've also got a jack for an external mic. They've removed that on the new 4K. The 4K, that is the profile with the standard battery. The standard battery, well, you need to get the extra capacity battery. And that is the extra capacity battery. And let me just show you the difference in the width when you put the extra capacity battery on. It is significant. That aside, let's go and look at some footage. Okay, so we're going to give it one more try. The Drift 4K. Apparently I had the settings wrong last time, so this time both cameras are exactly the same, except the one on the left has got the stabilization system, which the other one doesn't have. So, what is my conclusion? I've seen both footages unedited and edited. I found out that the Ghost S was just in normal and the Ghost 4K was in vivid. But the main aspect, which I am shocked about actually, is the stabilization. You can see on the 4K, it keeps it really steady. On the S, it doesn't. Is it worth upgrading? Well, I'm going to be filming more with the 4K, that's for sure. Because I think the 4K might just cut it. Make your own decision. For me, I wasn't expecting the 4K to be that good. I wasn't. Not on the stabilization aspect, because I'd tried it on the setting that I shouldn't have. But what you've got to be aware of is to get the stabilization, you can only do 1080-60 on the 4K. If you go to 21/760, I think it is, halfway, or 4K, you don't get that. Plus at those settings, your battery is just whoosh, and it's gone. So the 4K isn't the be all and end all. You can film in 1080-60, then you can upgrade if you get a system to be able to put your video footage through and upscale it to 4K. Then you can put it onto YouTube and it does take it to 1440 and it does look a little bit better. So don't go nuts about this 4K. Your computer probably won't cope with it. You'll have to get an editing system where you can downscale it, edit it, then upscale it when you output it. A lot of broadband and computers, you can't tell the difference when you're looking at the screens. With the 4K, it eats more data, and therefore it could start buffering. 4K isn't it may be the be all and end all. Yeah, it might be, but it isn't, because there's already 8K being produced. It's the system that you've got to view it. It's the system that you've got to edit it. That's where the challenges come in. Whereas at 1080, you shouldn't have any issues. But that's my review. I hope you've enjoyed it. I look forward to your comments. And until the next time, bye-bye for now.